Good morning, students, teachers, and staff of Foothill Ranch Middle School. Welcome to the inaugural broadcast of Stampede TV News, our school's very own news program. I'm Dr. Riddick, your principal, and I'm delighted to be your guide through this exciting journey of communication. Today marks a significant milestone in our school's history as we launch Stampede TV News, a platform dedicated to keeping our school community informed, engaged, and connected. This initiative is born out of our commitment to fostering a vibrant and dynamic learning environment where every voice is heard and every achievement celebrated. Stampede News will serve as our conduit for sharing important announcements, highlighting student achievements, showcasing faculty endeavors, and exploring the various facets of our school community. Whether it's academic accomplishments, extracurricular activities, sports achievements, or community initiatives, Stampede News will be the beacon that illuminates the outstanding achievements and contributions of our students and our staff. Through this platform, we aim not to only inform, but also inspire and unite our school community. We believe that by sharing stories of success, resilience, and innovation, we can motivate each other to strive for excellence and make a positive impact on our school and beyond. As we embark on this exciting journey together, I encourage each and every one of you to actively participate, sharing your stories and engage with Stampede News. Your involvement will be instrumental in shaping the narrative of our school community and strengthening the bond that unites us. So without further ado, I invite you to tune in, stay informed, and join us as we embark on this exciting new chapter in the life of our school. Thank you, and let the Stampede News begin.
Good morning, Stampede. This is Alexander Sandoval
and Charlotte Barnes coming to you live from the Stampede studio here at Foothill Ranch Middle School.
Today is Monday, March 18th, and welcome to your Stampede Weekly News.
Girls soccer meets in room 5 on Mondays and Tuesdays from 3 to 4 p.m.
Track practice this week will be Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. We will have shorter practice on Monday and Tuesday until 3:30. Thursday's practice will be a regular time of 2:45 to 4.
Ready to explore your interests and passions beyond the classroom? Look no further. Did you know we offer a diverse range of clubs during lunchtime and after school? There's something for everyone. Don't miss out on opportunities to join like-minded peers, engage in fun activities, and make lasting memories. Come and discover your new favorite club today. Check out Stampede Stuff for more information about clubs.
Students, mark your calendars because it's that time of year again. Get ready for another Colorfest event on April 11th right after school. Colorfest is your chance to engage in fun colored chalk throwing extravaganza with your friends. It's an absolute blast, so make sure you don't miss out on the fun and double check that you're not on the no-go list.
Attention all families, get ready for our open house happening this Thursday, March 21st at 5 p.m. sharp. We've got a special treat for you. Dinner will be served courtesy of our school, absolutely free of charge for all attending families. Don't miss out on opportunities to mingle, explore, and connect with your school community.
This week is National Drug and Alcohol Fact Week. Check out Club Live activities every day this week at lunch. We will have a fun activity each day at lunch this week, so get ready to showcase your Foothill Ranch pride and join Club Live at lunch.
Get ready to capture the memories. Yearbook pre-sales are now underway. Check out the flyer available in Stampede Stuff or visit Ms. Jackson in room 39 to secure your copy today. Don't miss out on preserving the highlights of the year.
Need help with your schoolwork? Need some extra time to finish up those missing assignments? Did you know that you can get help Monday through Wednesday? We have several teachers available to help you. Go check out the tutoring schedule located in Stampede Stuff and get started today. Step up and level up. This is Alexander Sandoval
and Charlotte Barnes, and that was your Stampede Stuff for today.
Have a great day, Stampede.